I don't know why I'm creasing around my mouth. Like, this one is weird. Did I use something different? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I created this holiday glam using all affordable products. Yes, all affordable products. Everything I used, from the lip gloss to the foundation to the eyebrows, everything I used were all affordable products. We're all affordable products. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead to use the NYX Bear With Me Daily Moisturizing Primer, which has a high protection SPF of 30. So that's really good for you. I mean, it's a 2-in-1. It's a primer and it also has SPF. It has sunscreen and it's affordable. It's just killing two birds with one stone, and it doesn't leave that white cast, which is really good. Because you know how SPF leaves all that white cast on your skin. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm going to be using my damp beauty sponge to blend that out. I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealers in shade C12.2 and C9.5. I am going to be using C12.2 under my eyes, just to like highlight, just to like conceal, not highlight, conceal first before I have to highlight. So to cream contour my face, I'm using the e.l.f. cream contour palette. I'm going to be like using the both of them, and it's not as pigmented as the Revolution Cosmetics, but I am going to go like the bronzer, so I don't need it to be as pigmented. So I'm going to be highlighting with 9.5 in the same concealer, just a little. Okay, so I'm blending that in. These dark places, they really annoy me. Like, they annoy me so much. I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just put it here. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution setting powder in Banana Deep. So I'm just going to make sure I don't have any creases before I set under my eyes. So what you do is take this brush, you take the powder, you dab off the excess, and then you lightly set your face. Now this is not baking, but this gives you under your eyes like a really flawless finish. Okay, so to set the rest of my face, I am using the Zigel face powder. So to bronze my face, I'm using the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer in Enrobe. And I'm just going to use my fluffy brush and dab this on the places I cream contoured. I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose using the same bronzer. Let's start from here. Mark it out first. I'm so happy. Like, I'm going to be done with the semester, hopefully by the end of this week. Like, I'm so happy. Oh my god. And that's why I didn't upload a video like last week, because I needed to like just get all my schoolwork in order so I can close on time. I don't want to have any problems. So I am baking. Under my nose. I'm using my powder brush to blend everything out. For blush, I'm going to be using the Sleek Cosmetics Clear blush palette, and I'm going to be using which shade? This red shade right here. Take a little amount, and this palette is really pigmented, so a little goes a long way. My face is like so matte right now, and to like bring back some shine, I'm using the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Multitasking Setting Spray. Okay, so I'm going to set my face again, and I'm using the Airspun setting powder. Just a light setting. I don't know why I'm creasing around my mouth. Like, this one is weird. Did I use something different? I'm not sure what is happening. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's not a new product because I've used all these products before. I've used every single thing before, so I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, so for my brows, I've been using the Essence Tiny Tip Precise Brown Pen. This product is like life-changing. It gives you like, what's it called? Fake hair-like strokes, just to give you that fluffy brow effect. I'm still learning how to use it because it is a new product and I just got it like 3 days ago. No, not 3 days ago, like a week ago. But I've been using it. I've been trying to learn how to use it. And I think I'm learning it. Like, I'm getting the hang of it, but we will see with time. But I do like this product. Like, I do like it a lot. Because I do have sparse brows. So I've been looking for like an affordable product that can do something like this. Because I know that there are other products that are like this, but they are on the pricey side. So this is way cheaper. I think that's it. I mean, look how full they look now. Like, they look so great. I love that product. Okay, so to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using which one I'm going to be using? I'm going to be using the same Makeup Revolution concealer in 12.2, and this is going to act as a base for my eyeshadow, and it's going to like help the colors pop more or be more vibrant. I'm going to be using the Essence Born Awesome palette. It looks like this. Is really simple. Like, it's so simple. Packing on that color on the outer V. I'm building it upward. I'm taking it to where I contoured my nose earlier. So I'm going to be using my NYX glitter primer, and this is just going to help the glitter pop. I'm going to use this. I'm going to be using this shade from the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Eyeshadow Palette. Deep in my crease. Okay, so my lashes are done. For lipstick and lip gloss, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. And then I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. I mean, you can't leave it like this, but I like a gloss, so I'm going to use the SS Cosmetics Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. I'm not sure. Okay, this one is number 23, and it's called, I think, Brainer. Yeah, Brainer. Yeah, shade Brainer. Just going to use that on top. I mean, this look is almost done. Almost. I'm still going to go ahead and highlight. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this same shade right here. And a little bit on my cheek. Just a little. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face again. Using the same NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and get changed, and then I'll be right back. So this is the end of the look. I love how it came out. I mean, except for the breakage around my mouth area. I am breaking out, so excuse that. But besides that, I think I love how this look came out. Yeah, I'm living for it. So please let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, okay? Please. So I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one.